Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Demand in economics. Demand is the quantity of commodity which buyers are willing and able to buy at a specific price during a given period of time is called demand. Demand is equal to will or desire to buy plus ability or power to buy. Quantity demanded is the actual amount of the commodity bought by a specific at a specific price in the particular market during a specific period of time. Quantity demanded is equal to will or desire to buy plus ability or power to buy plus actual quantity demanded or actual amount purchased. Individual demand is the schedule of quantities demanded by an individual or a single household at various prices. The market demand is the total demand of all consumers in the market. Law of demand means that when the price of a commodity falls, quantity demanded increases, and when price rises, quantity demanded decreases. According to Professor Dr. Alfred Marshall, the amount demanded increases with a fall in price and diminishes with a rise in price. There is negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. Slope of demand curve is negative. Negative slope of demand curve is mainly due to price effect, income effect, and substitution effect. General short-run demand function where quantity demanded is the function of price. Standard form of demand function quantity demanded is equal to A minus BP. Comprehensive long-run demand function where quantity demanded is the function of several independent variables like price, Y for income, T for taste, P, S for price of substitutes, F for fashion, W for weather, and O for all other circumstances or factors. When the price of commodity decreases, its quantity demanded increases. It is termed as an extension in quantity demanded. Contraction in demand is the decrease in quantity demanded of a commodity due to increase in its price. Rise in demand means demand increases due to change in other factors, not price. It can be divided into two parts. Number one, price remains constant and quantity demanded increases. Number two, quantity demanded remains constant and price increases. Fall in demand means that demand decreases due to change in other factors other than price. It can be divided into two parts. Number one, price remains constant and quantity demanded increases. Number two, quantity demanded remains constant and price decreases. Elasticity of demand is the rate of change in quantity demanded of a commodity due to change in its price. Equal elastic demand shows the rate of equal change between quantity demanded and price. The more elastic demand is that degree of elasticity of demand where there is more change in quantity demanded and less change in price. The less elastic demand is that when there is less rate of change in quantity demanded and more change in price. Zero elastic demand means zero change in demand and only change in price. Demand remains constant in case of zero elastic demand. Here the demand curve is parallel to y-axis. Perfect or infinite elasticity of demand means that price remains constant and only demand changes. Here the demand curve is parallel to the x-axis. Elasticity of demand is measured by expenditure method or unity method, percentage method and mathematical method. These are three important methods to measure elasticity of demand. The proportionate change in quantity demanded resulting from a small proportionate change in price is called point elasticity of demand. According to given formula, elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity demanded over change in price divided by quantity demanded over price. When there is a big change in demand and price, we measure elasticity between 2 points is called arc elasticity of demand. According to given formula, elasticity of demand is equal to quantity 2 minus quantity 1 over quantity 2 plus quantity 1 divided by price 2 minus price 1 over price 2 plus price 1. According to D.S. Watson, income elasticity of demand means the ratio of the percentage change in quantity demanded to the percentage change in income. Income elasticity is positive in case of superior goods, negative in case of inferior goods, and zero in case of neutral goods. According to formula, income elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity demanded over quantity demanded divided by change in income over income, or change in quantity demanded over change in income multiplied by income over quantity demanded. According to Ferguson, cross elasticity of demand is proportional change in quantity demanded of X resulting from a given relative change in the price of related good Y. It is positive in case of substitutes, negative in case of complementary goods, and 0 in case of independent unrelated goods. Formula. Last formula. Cross elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity demanded of A over change in price of B into price of B divided by quantity demanded of A. Complementary goods are those which satisfy a human want in a combined nature. For example, petrol and bike, ink and pen, pair of shoes, etc. Substitutable goods are those goods which are exchangeable or interchangeable. For example, Pepsi and Coke, Dell and HP, Bata and Service, etc. Giffen goods are those goods which are considered cheap against their substitute. There exists a positive relationship between price and demand for given goods. Demand curve has a positive slope in case of given goods. The demand for commodity which arises from the demand for an other commodities is called derived demand. For example, demand for land, fertilizer, and agricultural goods are derived demand because these commodities are demanded due to demand for foods. Composite demand means demand of two or more goods at the same time. The concept of composite demand applies in the case of complementary goods, for example, car and petrol, pen, ink, and paper. Compound demand means demand for a good that has multiple uses. For example, such as people may demand a sheep for both mutton and wool, a cow for milk, beef, and leather, etc. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.